It was 5:03 p.m. on a Thursday. I was sitting in my truck in the office parking lot, hands gripping the steering wheel. My resignation letter was sitting in my bag, unsigned, but ready. I had just survived another week of meetings that could have been emails, endless busy work, and that constant feeling that I was building someone else's dream while mine was collecting dust. Part of me wanted to march right back in, sign that letter, drop that letter on my boss's desk, and walk straight into entrepreneurial freedom. But here's what stopped me. I did not have a financial plan. I did not have a client pipeline. And deep down, I knew that if I left right then, my confidence could crumble as fast as my bank account. That moment taught me something important. Escaping your 9 to 5 is not just about courage. It's about building a runway so that you can leave on your terms, not desperation's terms. If you're listening to this right now, you're probably feeling that pull, the pull every single day, the pull to be your own boss, the pull to finally work for something that you believe in, the pull to stop trading your best hours for someone else's dream. But here's the hard truth. You walk out without a plan, you could end up right back in another 9 to 5, only this time with more bills, more stress, and a lot less confidence. So today, I'm going to walk you through the exact 3-step process that I used to leave my corporate job in a way that protected my finances, preserved my confidence, and set me up to grow. And I promise you can start these steps before you even hand in your notice. Let's dive in. Step 1 is know your minimum monthly number. Before you even think about leaving, you need to get crystal clear on exactly how much money you need each month to cover the essentials. That's housing, food, transportation, insurance, maybe a few extra things. Once you have that number, multiply by 3 or 6. That's your runway. You either need that amount saved or enough consistent business income to cover it before you make the leap. This is not about playing it safe. This is about removing financial panic from your decision-making. When you're not operating out of desperation, you show up as a confident entrepreneur from day one. Step 2 is create a client or sales pipeline. While you're still employed, one of the best kept secrets of a smooth transition is using your evenings, weekends, lunch breaks, any free time you have from your 9 to 5 strategically. This is your time to have conversations, make offers, and close your first clients. When I left my job, I had already lined up enough commitments to cover my first 2 months of expenses. That gave me more peace of mind than any motivational quote or pep talk ever could. And here's the beauty of this step. You don't need a massive audience or dozens of clients. You just need enough steady income to create breathing room so that you can grow without fear. Step 3, establish your entrepreneurial routines early. A lot of new entrepreneurs are shocked when they go from a structured 9 to 5 to a completely open calendar. Without preparation, those first few weeks get eaten up by distractions and busy work. Start practicing now. Block out CEO time. Plan your week around revenue-generating activities. Build habits that help you lead yourself well. Because if you can lead yourself, you can lead a business. That way, the day you step into entrepreneurship full-time, you'll already be operating like the leader that your business needs. If you feel stuck in a job that you've outgrown, remember, you do not have to choose between staying trapped and risking everything. You can't prepare. You can build a runway. You can make that leap with your finances strong and your confidence unshakable. And when you do, you will not just be free, you will also be ready to thrive. If you want help creating your 9 to 5 escape plan, feel free to go to brianrobinsoncoaching.com, fill out my free strategy form, and I'll give you a call. We can hop on a call to see if we're a good fit to work together so that I can walk with you to build your 9 to 5 escape plan. If you're not ready for one-on-one yet, feel free to join us inside the DRIVENpreneur membership community. It's where we help founders like you go from stuck and uncertain to clear, confident, and growing. You can join us at that's school with a K, SKOL.com/DRIVENpreneur. Until next time, stay clear, stay focused, stay driven.